Guys, if you don't understand, try to ask me the questions as well. We'll try to discuss what if you are not any if you are not understand anything. I hope you can see my screen now. Yeah, guys, can you see my screen? Could you please confirm
Yes,
anybody?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, don't try to don't feel that much very bore like this because you guys already know all this about VPC. So I just would like to reiterate about this VPC because he is new, right? So Karim, actually I'm trying to explaining about VPC. Okay.
Okay.
So actually
Okay.
VPC is actually completely virtual private cloud in the sense generally we do have a lot of clouds like AWS is one cloud out of which there are a lot of services. So in that VPC is one service to isolate our project from others. Okay. So if you want to keep one project, if you club all together, so then what will happen is you can't identify the project, and also it will be difficult if you keep VPC one VPC to other VPC, and also to isolate from one to each other. So one cloud to another cloud, and one service to another server, one project to another project. So you have to uh, create VPC. VPC means virtual private cloud. In this virtual private cloud we have to design our projects. We will keep our backend and front end services. Okay, front end servers and backend servers. For example, so first of all, if I go to the steps, I'll also open a step by step process which I have created already yesterday. I have created one notes for you people. Whatever I have explained, the same one only I'm trying to make a notes for you. So let me open this. Okay guys, see this. This is nothing here, just simply created my name. This is my name, LKL Cloud Technologies. In future if I start company, I'll use this name, don't worry about this. Okay, so this
Sure,
is
sir.
okay. AWS. Okay, in the AWS VPC is there. Karim, see see this VPC. We do have I already told you these are our major steps in VPC. So we have to create VPC. There are subnets and route tables and access controls. Okay, NACL access control. Today I am going to discuss about this. This will keep it later. And whenever you create the VPC, this NACL will be default. Okay, but custom NACL we are going to discuss today. Okay, NACL will be default for which if you create any VPC. Okay, so that process and that functionality I will explain. So today I will just reiterate about the VPC which we have created already. This VPC is for virtual private cloud. Then after we have to create the subnets. Then after route tables. Next it is default. Okay, then it is an internet gateway and NAT. So you have to know about all these things first. Okay, so next I'll try to explain these. Actually while creating VPC you can see, you can navigate all these together. So if you open AWS, for example, if you open AWS, you will see all these things. You should not confuse yourself because what is this, how would I know all these steps, in the sense should not confuse yourself. Once if you click on VPC, you can see all the steps. The VPC itself, it will navigate you, it will navigate through all the steps. You right, see, you have to create the VPC, you have to create the subnets, route tables, internet gateways. Okay, and next DHCP, this network related, not recommended now. And elastic IP is for especially for dedicated IP, that I will let you know. And next NAT gateway. These are all things I will try to reiterate very fastly. So the same one is replicable here, you can see guys, the same one. So which this is VPC which I have already created. This one is one VPC. Okay, the VPC1 this is, and next these are all subnets. One is private subnet, another one is public subnet. The public subnet will be open to everybody in the sense that it is to public. If somebody want to access your web server, if you keep your web server in the public subnet, that need to be accessible by public. So that is the reason we have to keep whatever we need to keep in public, that we have to keep in public subnet. So web server, if I take web server, you have, if somebody want to visit your website, so that you have to allow, right? So that should be in public subnet. If somebody want to see your website, in the sense you have to allow them. So that is the reason you kept everything related to web server into this public subnet. Got it? Okay, this is public subnet, and this is private subnet. Okay, this is private subnet. Private subnet in the sense something you should be keep very confidential, something should not see the others public. For example, if you take MySQL database, the database, whatever the data is there, that is not required for the people. That is required, it is interrelated with the web server. Okay, whatever the content is there in MySQL database, that database will be replicable by using web server. Okay, so then whatever the data he want to see, he can able to see here. Okay, but he does not need any kind of things from MySQL. Okay, MySQL is storing the data related to this site. Okay, that is related, that both will communicate each other, intranet. Okay, internet communication will be there. Okay, internet is completely outside, intranet in the sense inside, within the organization, within the two services. Okay, these two services will communicate, and they want whatever you needed, whatever you requested, that request will come to this web server, and after that you will get response back. But you are talking with this only public subnet, not this private. So whatever you want to keep very secure, so that you have to keep in private subnet. Okay, that is the reason we have created subnet, public subnet and private subnet. Here in public subnet I kept web server, in private subnet I kept MySQL database. Got it? So after this should be public and it should be private always. Why? Because I have not opened anything, any public SSH port, I mean like HTTP port to the outside. So that is the reason it's private. Simple. You understood, I think so. So then after these are completely different. These completely not any other services, guys. Web server in the sense it's a kind of EC2 instance. Okay, it's not service which is provided by AWS. This is not a service, this is EC2 instance only. MySQL also, it is a EC2 instance that you have to create. Okay, and this is jump server also, it is EC2 instance that you have to create. Okay, in this jump server, port should be open to you only. SSH port you have to open, that is for your access, for you only. This is not related to public. Okay, by using jump server you have to enter into this MySQL. You might got doubt earlier, I think, sir, okay, that's fine, but MySQL you have created, that is related, intranet is there, they are communicating each other, web server is communicating each other. But if somebody want in internal, if somebody who authorized, okay, my manager or myself, I want to keep some files, or I have to delete some files, anything I need to do modification, if I want to do change, at the time I have to enter. How I have to enter? By using Bastion and jump server. By using this Bastion and jump server, you have to enter into this MySQL. Okay, by opening this port, MySQL port 3306 port, that port should be open, and also whatever the jump server private IP address is there, that you have to open. These, by using these two only, will be accessible by admin. Okay, you got it? This is the thing. And for this web server, what we have to do is, we have to open SSH port. This is for myself. Okay, if I want to change anything, if I want to change code, for example, if it is SSH, if it is HTML code, okay, if I want to change something, what, as a code, as a admin, as a developer, I will open all the files and I will do modification. If I want to deploy, I will do this. But but the thing, the public only for this is allow for this is actually HTTP port for access to see the response. Okay, take the response and see the response. This is for HTTP port. SSH port is for myself enter authorization. Okay, so here the thing, guys, so that is fine. Everything we have created, VPC, we have created a subnet, and we have created public subnet, and also we have created private subnet. That is fine, everything is good. But the thing is this, if I want to take internet, what I have to do, I also need internet for this. If you want to access web server, you need internet also, right? For this also, what we have to do is, you have to create internet gateway. This internet gateway will allow, it will take outside of internet, so it will give internet to the public subnet. This internet gateway is for only public subnet, not for private. Okay, this internet will gives you internet for the public subnet. We have to create internet gateway, then after we have to create route tables. So here public subnet, you have to attach public subnet to route table. This is one communication. Then after route table to internet gateway, this attachments you have to do. So there, while you are doing, you can understand easily. So it's not that much difficult, guys, very easy. So while you are opening, then you can see the these attachments. Okay, so after giving the internet gateway and route tables, you will get internet supply to the public subnet. Then it is easy to access, and you can able to access the web server. Got it? But you got doubt. Okay, that's fine. But actually, if it is, this is also cloud, it is also inside. Okay, but if I want to enter the jump server, okay, you can able to enter. But if you want to access, okay, Linux is also is there, right? If you want to access through Linux, it is cloud in the sense completely this structure, everything VPC is in cloud only. But if it is should be run, it is not physical server. For this also internet needed. But how we are getting internet, guys? At this moment, in this situation, this whatever the database is there, MySQL database, if you want to access all the data also, this for this also you need internet. That internet should be very much secure, because we are keeping everything in very confidential. That is the reason nobody should not enter into this MySQL database, nobody should not access. That is the reason I should be keep very much secure. So that is the reason AWS will provide NAT gateway for providing internet to the private subnet. Okay, whatever the data inside, but for private subnet, NAT gateway will provide the internet. Okay, this is a service, it's not instance. Okay, Bastion is actually EC2 instance, web server is EC2 instance, and MySQL database is also EC2 instance. But gateway, NAT gateway is not EC2 instance. This is a service which is provided by AWS. Here we have to create the NAT gateway. This is one or two steps only, just two steps. Okay, after that we have to create route table. So from route table to private subnet, we have to attach together. So then after route table, we have to attach to the internet gateway. Okay, so you understood, guys? After that you can able to access. So after all this setup, you can able to access the web server, and also you can able to access MySQL by using jump server. This is actually instance, this is also instance. But how can you enter these two instance all together? In the sense, it is the communication between Linux to Linux. Okay, Linux to Linux will communicate each other by using opening ports. Okay, first of all you have to open Bastion server. After that Bastion server, you have to enter, you have to keep the database PEM key into this Bastion. Then after you have to enter the path. Okay, that CD user EC2, that path you have to go, and you have to access MySQL database. This is a very much highly secured. That is the reason nobody cannot able to enter into your database. Got it? Hope you understood, guys. And and coming to earlier, actually I should have explained this about this CIDR range. Okay, this is actually IP and CIDR range. This CIDR range must be given to the VPC. and also for this also it should be there. Okay, 0.0.1.0/24, it is 16. Okay, two dot zero. Okay, so in networking guys, in networking UDP, TCP network, all these networks you have to learn. In network you can understand exactly what CADR range is, that is separate class, but every VPC do have CADR range, and also subnet do have this range. Okay, CADR range, you understood guys? I need your response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just would like to check with Karim. You understood? Karim, can you please respond? Karim, are you there? That's fine. Okay guys, please do focus, it's important topic. Okay, now we are talking about NACL. Okay, one second guys. Hello guys, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so NACL actually, whenever we have created, at the time I have shown you, hope you remember or not, I'm not sure. So do you remember guys? Hmm? See guys, I
No,
told you
sir.
already.
No, sir.
When we have created, I told you this is actually defaultly created NACL, network access control system. Okay, okay, this is actually whenever we create the uh, VPC, automatically by default NACL will get created. Okay, so what is the purpose of NACL first of all? Okay, so I will let you know. I would like to take one example. So guys, this is, for example, this is our institute. For example, let us assume, okay, let us assume this is a institute. Okay, and okay, this is another department, and this is another department, and this is another department. Guys, this is my institute. For example, if you take, this is DevOps class, and this is, maybe if you consider AWS, why I am showing different signs, in the sense you have to identify, that's why. It is, if it is Python, let's consider this is a Python class, this is Java. Okay, this is my institute, guys. This complete one building. For example, if you consider it as a building, so definitely it should have like, yeah, it should have a door, right? For every building we have a door to enter. Okay, and also for every class also we do have doors, right?
Yes, sir.
Like, so we do have a doors like this. So assume, guys, if you are attending my classes every day, this is my institute, like, LK Cloud Technologies. Okay, so for example, so four classes, each four classes I have. Each class it has own doors. So for generally, if you take buildings also, we do have a doors. Okay, so for four class, each contains each door. So AWS, it is having one door. Okay, DevOps is having one door, and Python is having one door, and Java is having one door. Okay, it is general scenario, guys. Okay, try to understand the concept. Okay, if somebody new student come, if somebody new student come, how he has to come? He has to come through door only, right? So I want him to restrict him. Okay, if I want to restrict him, what should I do? I'll close this door, right? So if I close this door, he can't enter. Am I right? So for example, if he want to enter, I have to open this door. Okay, if you want to enter into this AWS class, okay, I have to open AWS door only. Okay, if his intention is want to learn AWS, in the sense he will go to directly AWS only, he never go DevOps, Java and Python, right? Okay, for example, except AWS class, all others should be open. Okay, if I want to restrict this, I will open this and this and this. But if I want to allow him only, I can able to open this main door. If I don't want to allow him, definitely I'll close this, right? So the same way, I'll tell you one more example. If I want him to restrict in my institute, what I have to do? Tell me, guys, are you understanding the concept?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. You should not open the main door.
Exactly. So main door is actually restriction, right? For
Yes,
the
sir.
restriction purpose only, to close the doors. If I close the door, nobody cannot enter. So for example, let us consider this is a, for DevOps, it is a EC2 instance. Coming to the concept, actually, coming to the topic now, this is EC2 instance. Okay, my main door is actually, this is main door. This main door is called NACL.
Yes.
Yes, I think this is not looks good, right? I'll try to write properly. Okay, okay, this is NACL. Okay, NACL, in the sense officially we called network ACL. Okay, networks access control. Okay, officially we call ACL, network access control. So NACL security is subnet level actually. In the sense, for example guys, this NACL security should be subnet level here. You understood? If I want to open NACL port, where I have to open? Here subnet level,
Subnet level.
right? So I will take one square box, or else I'll directly take NACL. Yeah, this is not looks good. Something I should take NACL. I'll keep this, guys. Okay, you can consider this is NACL. Got it? So okay, this is NACL. Actually, when we had created VPC, as I already shown, default NACL. Okay, while we are creating VPC only, default it will get. Okay, okay, this is good, guys. I will follow this one. Okay, so yes, yeah, already it is there. Okay, I kept already yesterday. Fine. So go and see VPC. Let's check case. Already I have shown you, right? Okay. So I will cross check. I'll show you again. Where is that? Yeah, this is NACL. NACL will be like this. Let's go and open this. Okay. NACL traffic. The traffic definitely it will restrict if you don't want to enter anybody to the your public subnet. You can close this NACL. You can close the door, right? Same like this. This is a lock. Okay. By default, route table will create, and NACL also will create the same route table which got created default, and we have used for NAT route table. So, for example, if we go and search under securities, okay, network ACL security groups. So in this we can see. First one actually one is default NACL which is there. One is actually default NACL which is through default VPC. Guys, you try to understand, guys. I think nobody is responding. I don't know whether you understood or not. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are understanding.
See, guys, this is my VPC which I created, right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And another one, this is my VPC, default VPC. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this my VPC 1206 also which I created by me. Okay, this whatever no is there na, no default VPC, no default, these two created by me. This is default VPC. For default VPC also we do have default NACL. Got it? And
Yes, sir.
also at the same way, this VPC which is created by me, am I right? Also we have default NACL.
NACL. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm trying to explaining you. I want to create my own custom NACL. Okay, so if I want to create my custom NACL, I'll show you NACL. I think here it is there under this, it will be fine. I think no, we have search box. We can search NACL network ACLs. Where is the security? In security, it will be there, right? NACL.
So there only is there, sir, left side
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
here
security.
you
yes,
can
sir.
see NACL. Yeah, here itself will be there. So I could not able to find. That's why I'm directly taking. See, this is NACL. You can see here itself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here security groups. Yeah, this is one security. In security only it is there. Okay. If you click here, definitely it will navigate to the same place. Okay. First of all, if you want to create, you have to click on NACL button, in the sense create network ACL. Okay, give some name, public. For example, we are creating NACL for public subnet, right? So we'll give name called public NACL. Okay, next VPC. Do you remember, guys, what is our VPC?
My VPC, sir.
Yeah, this is my VPC which we have to select. Nothing else, only one step I told you, right?
Sir, we have to create NACL for each subnet, sir.
No, actually, if you want to restrict,
Yes,
that is for restriction. Okay,
yes, sir.
some hacker should not enter into your servers, anything. So when at the time you can you have to default it will get. Okay, but if you want to restrict custom NACL, that I am showing now. Earlier no restriction, right? I can able to enter. For example, if I open my web server, duplicate EC2, go it is EC2. Okay, and web server, you click on this, take your IP, public IP, and paste here. Guys, do you remember yesterday actually we have done Nginx, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually it doesn't shown something, it was shown failure, but the thing is actually it was got successed. See, that is the reason I did not do anything after. See, I did not do anything after class. CD USR etc. Share Nginx, right? Nginx. So this is the path, guys. Just now, just before class only, I have checked whether it is really what is the content in there. Okay, this one I have to open vi index.html. See this, guys, welcome to Nginx. So I want to change this. Why should I welcome to Nginx? Welcome to it is no permissions, guys. Only read only file this is. Okay, we'll change the permissions later. Okay, so nothing else, guys. I'm trying to keep my name here. I don't want to see this name. That's what I want to keep my name. That's it, nothing else. That's my selfishness. It's okay. Where we are, I want to see this, right? This one actually allowed. So actually I did not open any NACL for this, but still default NACL is allowing to public. Am I right? But
Yes, sir.
my servers are very much confidential. I want to keep restrict my servers, so only accesses people one who have authorization only they will allow. So that is a hacker should not access. Hacker should not access. For example, the purpose of NACL is actually if somebody entered and for example if 443 port is there. Okay, 443 port he hacked and he blocked that 443 port. So at the time network NACL itself give the one feature that we can able to replace the port itself from our end. If they block also, they can block, not a problem. I do have NACL, so that much of confidence we do have just because of NACL, right? Let's create. Where is that? Yes, public NACL got created, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
it is just created a door. It's a kind of door. Okay, institute door. This is institute door, guys. Just I'm trying to I'm trying to compare with the general scenarios. Okay, institute the door,
Yes, sir.
if you consider it is an institute door, so the same NACL is attaching to this. Where is that? Yeah, attaching to this. Just now I created door. That door actually I created and I just attached it to here only. Just created. Okay, so this door actually created and kept placed at one place. Okay, so how to attach this NACL to subnet, guys? This actually, for example, if you are a carpenter, you create a door. Okay, if you want to place it one place, you came to your house. Okay, I as a carpenter, if I created this door, if I want to attach, if I want to place here only, it is a matters, right? So this door I have to place, in the sense I have to attach to what? This is public subnet. So now I have created the same NACL and I have to attach it to this public subnet. Okay, so what I have to do is, sorry. Okay, what I have to do is I just want to open the same here, public NACL. Okay, actions, subnet association, here subnet association and edit subnet associations. Okay, click on, where is public here, guys?
Web subnets.
Yeah, this one. This is public subnet. So click on here and save. Nothing I did, man. There I just went into this just I clicked on public NACL and I have went here under this only. You can see subnet associations and here you have to edit. Here itself you can find private and subnet. Just I want to restrict my private subnet, public subnet door. So that is the reason I am attaching to public subnet to NACL. That's it. Save the changes. So that means, guys, that means what I have attached main door to my institution. If you see here, I don't know whether this is good example or not. Just I have attached to my NACL to my institute. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, can I access website or not, guys? Let's see. Where is mine? Somebody joined. Who? Guys, what happening? Can I able to access?
No, sir.
See, I don't want to see here. Again I will try here. Guys, it will continuously rotate. it doesn't allow, it will not show any result,
Yes, sir.
because just now I kept my door and closed my door.
Sir, but you not specified any rules in NACL, sir. Just you add the NACL.
Yeah, yes, correct, you're right. Let me check again. Who joined actually? Who are there?
New guys, sir.
Okay, Karim, you dropped from class. Karim, can you hear? Karim. Okay, no problem. That is not a big deal for me. This is a just simply attaching, guys, just one created, and also that the same one I've changed. See here, already it is showing. Okay, attach it to subnet. Yeah, it is fine, right? What is the issue, Sham?
But rules you not specified, right, sir? Like allowing or not allowing.
Yeah, that we will do it one by one. Let's do one by one. Okay,
But it is not allowing the website for accessing website, sir. Now currently
it is accessing, right?
it's accessing.
Yeah,
Yes. Oh,
it is accessing.
fine. Oh,
That's
oh.
what actually, whether it is accessing or not, I'm just asking the question only. But it is, internet might be slow. That's the reason it is not
Okay,
giving
sir. Got it.
proper response. Okay. So here attached NACL means I am blocking all the ports. So what I have to do is now I am going to open one by one port. Let me show you. What I need to do is I need to open two ports at NACL, SSH port of myself and HTTP port for all. As you told, right? Where is that, man? This one, right? Okay. Where is public? This one, guys. Yeah, Sham, your question answer is actually whenever you attached, once you created NACL, automatically it is blocking all. See this?
Yes, sir. Got it
if
now.
you are not if you are not attaching, it is actually open, but whenever you created and attached to the public subnet, it is blocked everything. So that should not work actually, you see. Maybe some internet or cache, due to some cache, it was shown earlier. See guys, it's not working. So which means NACL was working. Earlier I thought it's not working, but see, it's not working. It doesn't work actually. If you created NACL, in the sense, it should not work. By the way, luckily it's not working. In the sense, we are in right path. Am I right? So now we are going into this public NACL. Just open public NACL. Okay, this is public NACL. Inbound rules. Edit inbound rules. Here, add new rule, man. We have to add new rule. What is that rule? We have to add, guys, number, anything, number. Just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. It's important call. Just be hold on. Sorry, guys. Yeah, where am? Okay, rule number, anything, yes, it's your wish. I want to keep one number. For this is my first rule, that's why. So anything number. So we are going to give SSH. Guys, you might get doubt why I have to give SSH. See this. Tell me, guys, why I have to give SSH. I should ask you. Tell me. I am accessing through two connections. One is access web
Yes,
server.
sir.
We do have two ports, right? For web server, one is SSH, another one is
And this
HTTP,
HTTP,
right?
all traffic.
So for whatever the browser we do have ports, that the same one only. I'm just trying to open. Okay. And next SSH and this one. Where is that? Uh, guys, this one. What is the meaning of this, guys?
All traffic,
Only
sir.
we should
So
access
so
my IP.
correct. If my IP in the sense my laptop IP. My laptop I have to give, right? So I'll check
Yes,
once.
sir.
I don't want to take more time. That's why I don't want to go inside of that everything configurations. I will check here what is my IP. Oh, this is my IP, guys. My system IP. Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And paste here. One second. My system is a bit slow. Paste. You understood, guys? This is my system IP. Okay. And see here. I'm allowing only, guys, only my system, my laptop, which is outside.
Yes.
Okay. This is me. Somewhere I am in Bangalore. Okay. So this is me, my laptop. Okay, 1 minute. I'll give laptop also direct. Okay. This is my laptop. Currently, where I'm in laptop. Okay. Inside of this system IP address I have given here in this. Okay. Through, I'm going through like this. This port is allowed only my IP. For subnet security, guys, this is. I'm just allowing my system. Okay. Next, another rule. Add another rule. What is the another rule? Tell me, guys.
HTTP, sir.
Okay. HTTP. Next, tell me.
All, sir. All
Good,
public.
good. Ishwant. So this IP address CADR block.
By 32, I think.
Yeah. Save. Can I try, guys, now?
Yes, sir.
So can you please, anybody respond? Can you please guess what it would be?
Accessible, I think, sir.
What about you, Ishwant?
It should be accessible, sir.
But what kind of result is getting now?
It's not accessible still.
So I just would like to know somewhat about statefulness and stateless. Do you heard about stateful? Here one important and very interesting topic, guys. What is stateful? Stateful. Stateful and stateless. It's taking too much time to write here. That's fine. Okay, what is stateful and what is stateless? Guys, any idea? Okay, this is my laptop. Okay, this is my laptop and this is my web server. This is my web server. Okay, So guys, this is my laptop. I'm trying to hit. See guys, I'm trying to hit. Okay, hitting done. And what it will do, web server, it will load. And whatever, if it is everything fine, it will give response back. Am I right? This is the process will go. Generally it will be happen only. Okay, earlier whenever I hitted the public IP, it is used to respond back. And did I opened any outbound ports, guys? Earlier, before creating
No, sir.
NACL, if I directly hit public IP, I used to get the response.
Yes,
I
sir.
did not open any outbound rules. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for example, if you go web server, what is that? EC2 web server, go to security. I'm trying to teach you very much in detail and depth, guys. Go to security groups. Where is security? This one. Click on it. Open this. Edit inbound rules. See, have you seen this, guys? This is actually my IP. Okay, let's guys, this one only I have touched earlier, right? Only whatever I have done, only
Yes,
I have
sir.
done here itself. I did not go any outbound rules earlier, right?
Yes, sir. It was
So
default.
let's see what is showing in outbound. In the
All
web
traffic,
server,
sir.
earlier, whatever, I did not touch anything outbound rules. Okay, anything outbound rules, default it is taken. I did not touch anything. I did not go outside out response. Okay, all traffic was opened by default. Entry and entry by default entry and exit doors are opened. If you delete the outbound rules also, it will default, it will be create itself. If you can't, okay, if you want to delete itself, it will create automatically, because it is default behavior of that. Okay, for example, your mobile, guys, if you open your Geo number, on that you can see your details. Okay, on the number, if you click on go inside 5G and IPv4 IPv6, you see. For example, if you delete that also, default behavior is there. Automatically it will take itself and you will get internet. Okay, if you reset automatically, definitely your default will get back. Okay, so whatever if you delete itself, so automatically whatever the default will get back. So that behavior is called, that concept is called, where I have written, that concept is called stateful. Guys, this is interview question. So now I need response from you guys. What is stateful?
Regardless of which IP, the outbound rules are denied, sir. It's not
Default
state
behavior, whatever the
default
default
behavior.
behavior of the inbound and outbound rules are called stateful.
Stateful.
If you need depth like if you need depth more about stateful, more sentence about stateful, you just go and Google it. You can read for interview. While you are going for interview, just completely information from the stateful. The meaning of stateful is like this only, guys. Security groups comes under stateful. Whatever the security groups, inbound or outbound rules, all this comes under stateful. Okay, just remember stateful. What is stateful? In interview point of view, I am telling, guys. Okay, just remember, they will ask you what is stateful and what is stateless behavior. So next, for example, again here I will take another one, laptop. This is my laptop. I will take this just with one single click. This is my laptop. Okay, and this is my complete subnet, and another one is, this is my web server. Okay, this is my web server, guys. Okay, I will write here, so text. This is subnet. What subnet? Public subnet. This is web server. Okay, and these two are ports, SSH. So anything, it's just keep like that, just simply ports. You can remember just simply ports. Simply port. You just for general scenario I'm telling. Okay, you can consider this is a port, guys. Okay, see this, guys. For example, see, this is my, I have requested something. Okay, it is keep on loading and loading, then it has to came back. Okay, it has to came back, guys. Whenever I try to hit the IP address, anything, domain name or something, if I hit something, this is inbound rule. Inbound rule is opened by keeping some ports, opening some ports, right? Inbound rules, just because of inbound rule, I just opened it and it went through like this, and whenever it response is coming, should coming back, at the time here it is blocking. Why? This is entry, this is entry door, and this is exit door. Okay, guys, whenever I created inbound, whenever I created NACL, so at that time I have given ports SSH and HTTP I have given, right? Am I right? That is for inbound.
Yes, sir.
And also similarly we have to allow outbound rules. Now that is the reason we could not able to see any response in my laptop. That's what I am trying to say. Okay, again,
Yes, sir.
see this hit, it's not getting. So now what we have to do, we have to check, we have to open outbound rules. That is the reason. So whenever hits the request in Google, okay, from my laptop, it is going through entrance door, okay, of the subnet. Through entrance door, my web server loading the page, and response is coming back like this. Okay, where is that? How? Actually I should not use two browsers. Okay, here, like this. You understood? The response is coming back like this, and whenever it's reached to this outbound rule, it is blocked because we did not open this. Okay, it is blocked, and exit door is blocked at subnet level. That is a behavior of network. NACL is called. What is this, guys? Tell me. Stateless.
Stateless.
Stateless. Okay, this is stateless. Hope you remember, guys. Hope you understood, because I'm trying to give you interview questions as well while I'm teaching you guys. Okay, stateful and stateless. What is the state? I would like to ask you, Sham. What is stateful?
Sir, it's basically the default behavior of inbound and outbound security groups, sir.
That's it. And what about stateless, Sham? Yashwan.
So stateless means like in outbound port response is called stateless, I think.
Yeah. Whatever.
So not
Whenever we have not opened any outbounding rules, that will block your response. Okay. So means without outbound rules. Okay. Without outbound, we could not able to get the response. When I open this only, we'll get a response, right? Here. So this whatever the blockage is there, this outbound response, outbound behavior, this outbound behavior is called as stateless.
Stateless.
So this NACL is giving these two scenarios, stateful and stateless scenarios. You understood? So this is what
Yes,
you
sir.
have to try to
Yes,
understand.
sir.
NACL comes under stateless.
Stateless.
Security groups comes under stateful. You can blindly remember like this,
Stateful.
guys. It is easy to remember, you guys. It's easy to keep in mind. Security groups comes under stateful, and NACL is comes under stateful. See, guys.
Stateless.
Yeah, maybe I have actually this I should not I should not show here. Actually, I should show here. This is ports related things. Okay, if you block this, this is actually comes under security groups. Ports is comes under security groups. Outbound and inbound rules comes under NACL level, guys. Got it? This is interview question, guys. Anyways, that's fine. And click on public NACL now. Where is that? Where's public NACL? Here. Where is public NACL? Security. Where is security?
Sir, you are in EC2, sir.
NACL. Yeah. See NACL. Global search we can use if something you could not find immediately. So open, click on this, and go to okay. See, guys, outbound rules. Edit outbound rules. What are the ports? What are the ports I need to open? Tell me, Sham. One port you have to tell, and another port Yashwant will tell. Tell me, what is the number? I can take one default number, one number, one
Sir,
port.
SSH, sir.
Okay, SSH. SSH. What I have to mention here?
Your IP.
Do you remember that? I think I have deleted that.
Sir, it's in inbound growth, sir. Specified in inbound.
Yeah, again I have to go back. Okay, hello. That's it. Already hello. And next one,
Sir, HTTP.
guys. Rule number you can keep anything. This is for understanding.
Okay, sir.
Okay. HTTP. HTTP or HTTPS? Tell me.
HTTP, sir.
What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS?
HTTPS
Sir,
is scheduled
HTTP
one,
is
sir.
secure.
Okay. If you want to open secure, what is the port number?
Sir, like 443.
HTTPS, I think, sir.
HTTPS. That's what I'm asking. For HTTPS port number, what is that?
Sir, 443, sir.
Exactly. Don't confuse. HTTPS is 443. That should be enabled in default settings. Okay. In Nginx level. Okay. Server level, we have to open HTTPS port. So when you got a domain, if you want to domain security, if you want to give more security for your domain, somebody should not hack, then at the time you have to open HTTPS port. Okay, so now we are into only HTTP level only. So what I have to open here, guys? Tell me.
For all,
Yashwant.
sir.
Yashwant. Yeah.
For all.
Yeah, for all. Save changes.
Public.
Again. 32. Is it fine? Okay. So guys, I
Yes,
want
sir.
you to respond. If it IP address, what will happen? Tell me. Anyone respond?
It should
Guys.
respond, sir. It should give Nginx.
Yes. It's not responding. There is another important concept called ephemeral ports. Okay. Do you remember what is ephemeral? Have you heard about this?
No, sir.
So that
No,
is the
sir.
reason, guys. Actually, you would have asked earlier related to network, man. Actually, I think Latif bhai not mentioned any network related class, right? So actually, before going to the CADR ranges, so you have to learn about the concept called this networking, TCP network, UDP network, and all. If you know all these things, it is easy for you to understand all these things. Okay, no problem at all. Let me try to explain you. So we have actually 0 to 65535 ports entirely. Could you please calculate, guys? What is
Yes, sir.
actually we do have total, we do have 0 to 65535. What is this here? Where is the power here? That's fine. It's okay. Okay. 0 to 65535 ports we have actually. So till actually 1024 to 65535. Okay, 1024 to 65535. These ports are called ephemeral ports. Okay, one second, I will go back here. I will do here itself. Okay, so whatever the ports, these ports, okay, ephemeral ports. Okay, now you can see. Can you hear? Can you see here? 0 65535 entire all these out of these ports. 1024 to 65535 ports are called ephemeral ports. This is also interview question, guys. Just remember, just keep in your mind. Okay, let's check once for your understanding what are the ephemeral ports. This is one good one. Hey, here you can see operating system ephemeral ports. Guys, 1024 to 65535. These are all ephemeral ports. See, guys, 1023, 0 to 1023. 0 to 1023 are most busiest ports in the world. Okay, after 10242, okay, 65535, these are all we are going to use actually. What is the purpose of ephemeral ports? Okay, 102, 1023 are most busiest port in the world, and 10242 to 65535 are very less used ports. Okay, here it also you can register ports 10252 to 49151, and also dynamic or ephemeral ports 49152 to 65535. So just remember for your knowledge, guys. I'm just trying to explain you all these things for your best knowledge. So hackers, for example, hackers are, for example, one hacker is there. He is trying to access my website. He want to block. Okay, hackers are there. So right. Okay. So maybe you heard about ethical hacking. Okay, there are unethical hackers, ethical hackers work for organizations for best security. Okay, so their unethical hackers try to harm your data or steal your data, okay, from database. So to encounter these kind of hackers, we maintain ethical hacking team, right? So these guys will protect our data. Who? Ethical hackers in our organizations. Basically in big companies like SSNC and Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Tata, these kind of big companies, they will maintain ethical hackers. But small scale organizations like small companies, startup companies, they won't. Okay, but they will do their own security, because we have to keep more secure. Security is a big concern in the world right now. Okay, one activity they will do, basically unethical hackers, whatever the hackers outside, they want to hack you. So our ports, so basically HTTP port is there, HTTPS is there, and SSH, all these ports, if they want to hack, they can able to hack. Okay, if they hack, what will happen? Okay, we can't access. First of all, customer cannot access, because um, this web server mainly you created and you kept in your server. But the thing is this, who will use this? Actually mainly customer will use this. Okay, whenever these ports will be blocked by hacker, so then what will happen? Customer will not get any response of your website. Okay, so my then what will happen? My business will be down automatically. Okay, and they bring out, so they will definitely bring down our business down. Okay, if they block website, out of 1,000 website, for example, put one website is there here. Now in this one website you can identify easily something has happened. But out of, for example, I have 1,000 websites, out of 1,000 or 2,000 websites, can you able to find this is really that much happened and somebody hacked? Can you able to find that?
No, sir.
You can find that something is happening, but you clearly not find exactly what happened to you. Is it really hacked or not? Okay, that's what. And my business, what will happen for my business? It will be definitely will be down. Even they block our port in server level also. Okay, what if they block HTTP port in NACL level? This one, entire subnet, they will be hand over. Okay, it is a major security concern right now in every organizations. If they block this port, we can able to change. But entire system, if they block, what will happen? It will affect entire business. I need to protect my subnets. Okay, I need to protect my subnet port NACL level. So hacker activities, whatever hacker activities are there, that I have to block. So that purpose, just suppose for example, if suppose you assume any hacker attack and block your port, this port, whatever port is there, then we have to, what we will do, guys? If somebody came, they blocked, but this my system, entire system is in AWS, what will happen? So guys, tell me, what yesterday Sham got problem, so his AWS service is not responding, so he got only one EC2 instance allowing, some other things he could not able to do. So what happened? He reached AWS only, right, Sham?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So AWS is concerned actually, as AWS is the main point of contact, we will blame AWS only, right? So we'll be
Definitely.
definitely at the time, AWS, what they will tell, hey, AWS, you will tell, like yesterday, what you written, you have written some email, hey
Yes,
AWS,
sir.
I got some problem, so that I want to resolve with you, so could you please help me, like this you have written. Same way here also, hey AWS, uh, you said, actually whenever you got so AWS is climbing itself, man. AWS is telling that we have a great security, we have all the services, every service we got a lot of security. So that is the reason AWS is very much secure. You can buy AWS everything. You can also buy any cloud, okay, whatever Azure or AWS, GCP, they are promoting their business with security itself, okay. So now you will ask, right, hey AWS, um, you said that some layers of security you are promoted our business, maybe advertising, you are like, no, now our website is down, completely you are telling that we have a lot of security, I trusted you, I kept everything in your cloud, then it's not, I feel it's not good, okay. So AWS definitely will lose customers whenever this concern, security concerns will happen. Definitely, this will be a big problem for AWS. AWS also gradually will lose the clients plus customers. So we will directly impact with this. Directly, we will lose the client. Okay, customers, and also we are also customers to the AWS, right? AWS also will lose the business. So definitely they will get bad name. So then AWS is saying, hey, Lokesh or Sham, so see, listen guys, carefully. Here the port, it is important actually. Port whatever 1025 and 65535. Okay. Hey guys, we have actually 1025 to 65535. HTTP, whatever the, for example, I will give you one more example. Uh, this is, for example, if it is 443, this is a security, actually this is a security, guys. SSL certificates we have to buy. This SSL port, actually this is HTTPS, in the sense SSL, we have to buy SSL certificate and we have to enable 443, even if it is a big security. So at that time what AWS will tell, hey Lokesh, you opened entire port range, like 1023265535. So if you opened that, so at subnet level, so that if at all, if the hacker blocks any important port, being a AWS, what I have to do, I will replace that random port with replacing 443 to 11000 port, or something 1000 port, or some other port, something like 1000 or 1001, something like that. So they are telling that, guys, simply you try to understand what I'm trying to say is, actually 443 you kept for something, this NACL level, okay. So hacker came and hacker is trying to hacked, this port is not working right now, okay. This port is not working right now. So what will happen, AWS, don't worry, Sham, don't worry about this. So actually we have ephemeral ports, who if they block also, we have another ports, we can able to replace 443 to, so some extra ports, 1020 10232, sorry, 10242, how much, guys?
Six double
65535.
five.
655.
Yeah, 65535, we have lot of ports, we can able to replace, okay. So out of which definitely we can take one port and we can give any one port for in place of 443. Okay, you understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the purpose, exactly that is the purpose of NACL, okay. So let's try to do practically, try to do practical. Open where is that? Open NACL, open NACL network access, this is public, right? Okay, inbound rules. In inbound rules, edit inbound rules, guys. Now add rule, and 3. What is this, guys? What we have to keep? Custom TCP. We have to give our own
Port number.
port number to how much?
65535.
Yes, this will be public. Okay, so let's save. We are authorizing AWS. This is actually we are giving this port, whatever the port is this, these are comes under AWS. AWS will take care, guys. You understood? Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are all comes under AWS. Something if it happens, if somebody hacked your service or your server, AWS will take care you. AWS will be replace any other port with existed port. That is, they are restoring these ports. They are going to hand over at that time. They will take up and they will be responsible at that time. So they will immediately respond and they will clear your issue, and the service will get back. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can save. What can we is it will be accessible, guys? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Is it will work? Can I hit on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's hitting. Let's see what will happen. No. Tell me, guys, why? Guys, important.
Maybe you should change in outbound roles also, sir.
Good man. Yes, good catch. Sham, see this.
Yes, sir.
We have to open
Outbound role.
how much?
10242 65535.
Got it? Can I try?
Yes, sir.
Is it will access
Yes.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see this? This is a very big security, guys. This is very much important topic. NACL is for, what is the purpose of NACL means? If somebody hacks your system or your web server, if that port is blocked by someone, at that time AWS or you can replace that port as with this at that particular time. You understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the concept of NACL. Just simply, guys, I have actually taken a lot of time to explaining you because you are at initial level. So that's the reason I have explained all this with all these examples and all. You know, if you click on one by one, it will take only for 5 minutes, right? That's it. That's it, guys. That's it from my side. So let's close this and we'll talk about yesterday's things. Okay, whatever you have done, I just want to check your output. So tomorrow we'll go another class. So maybe I'll let you know, guys. Tomorrow is Sunday, right? So I will let you know whether class is there or not. If it is there, I will inform you after maybe end of this day. Okay, end of day today evening I will let you know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sham, you got everything set up ready?
No, sir. I started. Now I have to start, sir. I have stopped all the instance. I have to start.
You can start the service. And what about you?
Yes, sir. I have it running, sir.
Yashwant, can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir. I'm sharing this. Is the screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah.
I have completed 3 servers, sir.
Yeah.
And first I'm accessing web server.
Okay. Yeah.
It's connected, sir.
Yeah, it is connected. Can you show? Can you please take IP address, public IP address?
Yes, sir.
Go to EC2, take copy it, paste here, enter. Yeah, good. That's it. Can you open Bastion?
Yes, sir. I have opened.
Guys, you are in North Virginia. No need to keep North Virginia. We are our nearby database is Mumbai, right? You can choose Mumbai.
Okay, okay, sir.
So nearby availability zone will give you more response. Okay. Yes. So explain me, Yashwant. After we accessing this Bastion server, what we have to do?
Sir, we have to drag and drop the DB key, sir, here
Okay.
inside the Bastion folder,
Okay.
and then in the instance, we have to go to the DB server and connect. And the SSH client, we have to copy whole this thing, sir.
Mm-hmm.
SSH command.
Okay.
And in this session, in the Bastion
Keep it
session, we have
maximum.
to
Keep it
paste it,
maximum. Keep it
sir.
maximum. Keep mobile
Yeah.
extra maximum. Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we should paste it, sir.
No. Just wait. Go to sudo su hyphen. Okay. Copy
Yes,
that
sir.
home EC2 user.
Sir,
CD
cd
slash
slash
h tab
h
home home slash ec2 hyphen user. Enter. Okay. Paste here now. Enter. Yes. Enter. Yes. You are into currently.
inside the DB server, sir.
So you mean that you are able to access the DB server with Bastion?
Yes, sir.
So how we are accessing the server, DB server?
Through Bastion, sir.
Means
With
jump
the
server. We are jumping
jump
into the
server.
database by
Yes, sir.
using medium interface of Bastion, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the purpose of Bastion only. The Linux, which is top whatever the top side, this is actually top one is related to
Jump
Bastion,
server. Jump server.
jump or Bastion server, and bottom one
Yes,
is
sir.
related to database server. So
Database server.
two Linux servers are communicating each other by using
Yes, sir.
intra-communication, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Yeah. Sham, I just would like to check with your work.
Yes, sir. Can I share, sir?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yashwant, you can stop the share screen. Yeah. Guys, my videos, are you taking help from my videos? Is it helpful or not?
Helpful, sir.
So whichever I am posting.
Yeah.
So whenever you get struck, you just go and watch, because I don't have more storage in my uh, cloud. That's why I am posting there itself.
Sir, I also created 3 servers, sir.
Okay.
Now we'll be accessing web server.
Mm-hmm. Open it. Connect.
I connected.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
I installed Apache and it will be accessible from internet, sir.
Okay.
This was.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Can you open Bastion?
Yes, sir. So this is version server.
Mm-hmm.
I have to drop the key, sir.
Okay. Guys, we are using mobile extreme. We have an option directly. We can able to drag and drop from our physical local system to your mobile extreme. But whenever you people directly connecting with web browser, okay, browser connection directly. If you connect with the AWS browser or DigitalOcean browser, anything at the time you don't get any access. At the time you can able to use WinSCP. WinSCP is a very good tool. Okay, by using WinSCP you can able to connect with this your server. AWS. Yeah, leave it. Yeah, yeah, it's got complete. Sudo su.
Sir?
Go to root user. Yeah, sudo su hyphen. Yeah. Can you copy that path? Yes. Copy cd 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 paste.
1 minute, sir. You have to.
Paste here.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Can you open LL? Enter LL. LL. Yes. See guys, db server hyphen key dot pem. Ashwant, can you see here why I used
Yes, sir.
this
Yes.
this path in the sense to see our path, our file, our pem file is available or not. If our
Yes,
pem
sir.
file is available only, db will try to connect with the bastion server, otherwise no. Okay, now you can copy db server's ssh key. Sham, did you get any response from aws?
No, sir. Like sorry only. Like last, as I told you, like sorry message only came, sir.
Okay, okay, if you find like other okay, then you can utilize it. If you want dedicated aws,
Yes, sir.
you can create also, not a problem.
Okay.
So time being you can use my aws account.
Yes, sir. I will try to create, sir, today.
Yeah, no problem, it's not hurry. So
Yes, sir.
for time being you can utilize mine, so until
Okay,
you
sir.
get a credit card and all. Enter. Yes, you are into.
Version, sir. Jump, sir.
No, you are into db database.
DB server.
Sorry,
Because
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
copied ssh key, right? In the
Yes,
sense you
sir.
are entered, yeah, you are entered into db.
Yeah, yeah.
So how we are entering through
Jump,
bastion.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
jump server. Jump in the sense we are directly jumping by using jump server, by using this instance to that instance. Simple.
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Anyways, good work. Keep it up
Yeah.
and keep
Sir,
learning. Okay.
one more thing, sir. Can we consider this as one project?
Yeah, definitely. So
We
actually
can.
VPC in the sense, generally people will try to create one VPC and just they will leave it. But the thing is this, we are trying to connect to each other with the servers only, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is, you can consider this is a part of the user story. Okay, in real time, these are all actually comes under user stories. It's not a big project. Okay, it's not a
Yes, sir.
project also. It is a part of project, if you can say.
Yes,
So
sir.
we will create project end of course. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
We will also try to. I will design one project for you guys. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. I will update you next class in the evening. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Have a
sir.
good day.